How to remove My AI chat on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat app on a device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll down until you reach the Account Actions section. Tap on Clear Conversations. This option allows you to remove individual chats from your chat feed. In the list of recent conversations, look for My AI. Tap the cross icon next to My AI to remove it from the feed. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Clear to confirm and remove My AI from your chats. This won't delete My AI permanently, it just removes it from your visible chat list. If you send another message to My AI later or search for it, it will reappear in a chat feed. Currently, Snapchat Plus users may have more control like unpinning or fully disabling My AI, while free users can only clear it temporarily. To prevent it from showing up often, you can avoid engaging with it or mute notification from My AI. And that's how you can remove My AI chat on Snapchat.